You are going to love the 2022 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.